With less than a week to go before the first official MotoGP test in 2018 at Sepang International Circuit January 28 to 30th, the Ducati team unveiled its Desmosedici GP18 prototype alongside factory riders Andrea Dovizioso and Jorge Lorenzo, and test rider Michele Pirro. The pre-season press event, held this year in Ducati Auditorium in Bologna, is typically highlighted by the factory Ducati pilots. But this year it was hard to focus on the riders due to the radical bodywork of the new Desmosedici GP18, more Formula 1 than MotoGP. The Ducati MotoGP team, led by Luigi Dall'Igna, Ducati Corse General Manager, spent much time redesigning the bodywork for better aerodynamics, and it's very apparent. After Ducati's Dovizioso took the title chase down to the final round in Valencia, he crashed out and Marc Marquez claimed his fourth MotoGP title with Repsol Honda. The team went back to the drawing board in hopes of even stronger performance in 2018.